Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Play Store Family Settings. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Play Store Family Settings. So this is very useful if a child is using your phone or maybe your child's phone, you need to put a family protection on it. So how does this work and how to do it? So the first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, click on your profile in the top right corner. After clicking on your profile in the top right corner, click on Settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be located to the settings. Click on family. After clicking on family, sign up for a family library. So as you can see there, you can sign up for a family library or you can just turn on the parental control. Then on that, then type a pin. So create content pin. As you can see, you'll use this pin to change settings for parental controls. So let's type a pin. So let's type 1234, then okay. Confirm 1234, then okay. So there you go, guys. As you can see, you have the parental control on. And another thing here, you can see there's another option is a parent guide. So you can also know much more information about the parent guide right here if you need more information. So you see, there you go. These are the parent guides. For example, you can read this to supervise your child's account, add in family apps, use parental control, prevent accidentally purchasing password protection, and there you go. So yeah, and there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys, when you can use your other phone to watch on your kids play store. So there you go. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.